want to get to 200 airports in total. 200 airports in total. So that's how we are planning to grow the aviation network. And I'm going to end my talk, ladies and gentlemen. I said we were pro-poor and pro-market. Because we are pro-poor, we wanted to make sure that we could accomplish this with as little subsidy as possible. By designing it in a pro-market way, we could also reduce the subsidy burden on all of you. So we've added 33 new airports, ladies and gentlemen. We've added 13 lakh seat capacity into this regional aviation market. And we've done all of this in the first round of Udaan bidding for the subsidy requirement of only rupees 200 crores. Only 200 crores, 33 new airports, 13 lakh seats. Because we've designed it in such a way that people found it profitable to bid. And you'd be surprised to know that several airlines have bid for these routes with zero subsidy requirement. So they have taken these routes with zero subsidy because they felt that the package that we were offering was such that it would be profitable to operate these routes. So that's the manner in which we have designed the scheme. And it again shows Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas, our overarching theme. Let everyone prosper. Why should we not have airports operating in Darbhanga, in Jamshedpur, in Dhanbad, in Bokaro, in Hazaribagh, my own hometown? If we can get all of these airports going, we will be able to provide an opportunity for traders, businessmen, doctors, professors, all of these high-value occupations to be able to get around, to be able to provide services, to be able to provide benefits to people. And of course, at the same time, we will get everybody who wants to fly conveniently in an affordable way, we will be able to provide them this air connectivity. We look forward to more rounds of bidding on Udaan, more airports in the network, and more opportunities to connect people and to make it very, very convenient and comfortable for them to fly. That's what we're trying to do with GST. That's what we're trying to do with the Udaan Regional Connectivity Scheme. There are many, many other important programs of our government. Unfortunately, time is short. I don't have time to get into all of them, like what we've done with Social Security, what we've done in Make in India, Startup India. There are many, many great programs. Ujjwala Yojana, Fasal Bima Yojana. We have 70 major programs that the government is doing. These two, I think, are illustrations of what our government is accomplishing under the great visionary and decisive leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji. Thank you very much and happy to take your questions.